Hi, my name is Jessica, and today we're going to be touring our 1x1 studio apartment. As soon as you walk in the front door, you have your in-unit laundry, which is stackable as well as high efficiency. Once you come this way, you can see we have a dining room area with a kitchen table with 2 chairs. And then we'll walk this way where you have all of your appliances that are included in a normal basic kitchen, with things like a full fridge and freezer, an overhead microwave, a full stove and oven, a deep sink with a garbage disposal, and as well as a dishwasher with plenty of cabinet space, as you can see. And then we'll come this way and we have our TV and our entertainment table. So with every apartment, you get the fully furnished living space, which would include a multiple-seater couch as well as a coffee table. And we'll go ahead and head this way into the bedroom area, which has an accordion sliding door, which slides over and locks. It also comes with a desk and a chair, as well as a nightstand, which could also be possibly used as a filing cabinet. And then you have the mattress with the bed frame. And then we'll go ahead and head this way into our walk-in closet, with plenty of drawers and hanging space. And then goes right into the bathroom, where you have a stand-up shower, a very large vanity with plenty of cabinet and drawer space, a very large mirror, and then obviously the toilet. So this is our balcony, where you have your own personalized balcony. It comes with 2 chairs and a little table. Thank you for taking a tour with us today. If you were interested in taking a real live tour with us, just give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you.